Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for always tuning in, for always watching my videos. I appreciate you all. Welcome to yet another episode from Mama Double N's kitchen. Yes, I am going to show you how I prepare this food. It is very healthy, delicious, and very easy to prepare. Trust me, you are going to love it. Don't go nowhere because I am going to go in details and tell you how or show you how I prepare this food you are seeing here. Watch this video till the end and don't forget to also subscribe, share the video, like, and comment. Okay, come along. So welcome back guys. As you can see, I have everything here ready that I'm going to use for the recipe. I have my salt there, my paprika, garlic powder, my minced spices as well. Okay, I have my pepper there too, my potatoes already cut in the pieces I want, my bell pepper, the yellow red bell pepper. I have my zucchini as well, also very healthy. Onions is there too, my chopped tomatoes, and my minced meat or grounded meat. I have also Maggi cube there as well. I have olive oil. So guys, that's all what I have. I'm also going to list everything that I use in preparing the food in the description box. Okay, so right now I'm going to start frying the stuff. Okay, right now I'm going to heat my olive oil in the pan and bring it to a hot, like let it hot, and after that I'm going to add my onions to it. After adding the onions, I'm going to let it fry for a little bit, and then before adding the other stuff. So after letting my onions fry for some minutes, I'm going to add my zucchini to it now. And after adding the zucchini, I'm going to just stir it and add also the other stuff to it as well. Yes guys, we all know that zucchini is also very healthy. Yes, try to also eat more zucchini because it is good for your health. Yes, so after that I'm going to add my mixed bell pepper. Bell pepper is also very healthy. It has a lot of nutrients as well. It is good for your body. Yes, so I'm going to just stir everything together and let it fry for some minutes. Okay, yes guys, that's that. Don't go nowhere. Let's continue continue watching. So after adding that, I'm going to add my spices. Now as you can see, I added my salt to it, now my minced spices as well, and after that I'm going to add the paprika and the garlic powder as well. Okay, and also my black pepper too. So guys, let's just keep going, just continue watching. Yes, that's my garlic there. Like I said before, add some garlic to it to give it that good taste, that aroma, you know. Yes, you can also decide to use the fresh garlic. Whichever one you decide to use is very okay, it's fine. Okay guys, yes. And as you can see, after adding all the spices to the pan, I am going to stir everything together. Yes, it is very important. Stir everything together and let it fry for like 2 to 3 minutes. Okay? And guys, as you can see, after letting it fry for 2 to 3 minutes, I'm going to remove almost all the vegetables that I fried already. I'm going to leave a little amount on the pan because I want to use it to fry the mixed meat. Okay, yes, the reason why I removed almost all of the vegetables is because I don't want it to be too cooked, like extra cook. Okay, I'm going to add it later on when the food is almost like finish cooking. Okay, yes, so right now I'm going to add a little amount of olive oil to the pan to be able, so that it will be enough for me to fry the grounded meat or the minced meat. So now I'm going to add the meat to the pan and stir everything together. And yes guys, I'm going to let it fry for like 3 to 5 minutes, okay? And as you can see, after frying it for 3 to 5 minutes, I added my already chopped potato, my already sliced potato to it. So now I'm just going to give it a good stir and let everything like go in together. But as you can see, my pan is too small, so I decided to change it, like to transfer it to another pot, okay guys? And yes, after transferring it to the pot, I'm going to add my tomatoes to the pot, okay, to the food. I'm just first of all going to stir everything together, and now I'm going to add my tomatoes, my chopped canned tomatoes, okay? And I'm also going to add a little amount of water to it. The reason why I'm adding water to it is because we need that water for the potato to be cooked, like to be really cooked, okay? So now I'm going to add some Maggi to it, like the beef stock, and I'm also going to add another like a little more amount of water, just a little more, so that the potato will be properly cooked, okay? Yes, and I also added my salt as well. And guys, as you can see, I added also paprika to it too, so that it will have that color and the aroma and taste as well. So yes guys, that's it. I'm just going to add my garlic as well, and the minced spices also, so that everything will really like taste good. Yes, remember the one I used before was just for the vegetables, so now I have to add it to the potato, like everything together, so that the taste will come out awesome and good. So now I'm going to just stir everything together and cover the pot and let it cook for about 10 to 12 minutes. And guys, as you can see, after 10 to 12 minutes, my potato is ready. So now I'm going to add my vegetables that I removed earlier. I'm going to add it to the pot now and stir everything together. Guys, just take a look at this color, just take a look at this deliciousness you are seeing here. Don't you love this food you are seeing here? Yes, so I'm just going to stir everything together like I said before, and then I'm going to cover it later on and let it cook for like 2 minutes, and then the food is ready. And after letting it cook for 2 minutes, I'm going to open it now, and ta-da! Look at this now, eh? Doesn't this food look so beautiful and good? Of course it is. It is also very delicious. Guys, wow, I really love this food, and my kids really loved it as well. Guys, that's it. That's how I prepare this delicious potato and minced meat recipe you are seeing here. I'm going to dish out my food now and eat mine. I'm also going to dish my kids one as well. Guys, this food is a must try. You have to try it. Thank you guys for watching this video from the start to the end, and please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, you have been watching my videos, come on, what are you waiting for? Subscribe. Also click on the bell icon so that you get notification anytime I post a new video. Also, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also help me to share the video as well. Thank you guys so much for your support, for your love, and for your constant sharing. Okay, I really appreciate you all. Thank you guys, and see you in my next video. Bye.